protect a Microsoft Excel sheet by a password, you will have to open your presentation or your Microsoft Excel sheet. Then you will have to go to File, and here we will look for Protect Workbook. We're going to click on the arrow, and we're going to select Encrypt with Password, and we're going to click, and here we will have to enter a password. Make sure that you remember your password, because once forgotten you cannot solve the problem and you will not be able to open your Excel. We're gonna press OK, and now we're going to go back to our file or sheet. We're going to click Save. We're going to click Yes. We'll save it in the desktop. We'll rename it Exercise 1, and we will close our Excel sheet. Now we have this new Excel sheet which is protected. We are going to click to open it to check. Enter the password, and it is working.